Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a great move. And when you consider where the price started off on the day and then where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very, very impressive move to the upside. And that brings about the question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a key level, and that level is down here at $2.35. Why is $2.35 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.35. I'm not saying this is what will occur, but if the price were to go down to that level and then just continue on down through it, what would that be doing to the price at that point? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down, however, in this situation, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.35. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. So not very shocking at all to see that level, currently acting as resistance. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that because it's the 200 period, that implies the price can never, ever get up above it. I'm just saying it makes total sense why the price ultimately did start to stumble right up around there on the chart. So going forward, that is definitely going to be the key level that you're going to keep an eye on from the resistance side of things. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.